all-new X22. A sharper look, a smarter layout, a stronger presence from bow to platform. It's the X family distilled into a 22-foot package. Every bit as premium, every bit as intentional, every bit as MasterCraft. The updated running surface and surf star pair with 3,800 pounds of ballast to deliver waves that feel locked in from the first ride. Clean shape, confident push, and the kind of repeatability riders count on. At the Transom, everything is hyper-intentional. Oversized loungers, a flip-down swim step, and dual rear storage compartments designed to hold up the four boards in padded, removable bags, or open up for bulkier gear when the day demands it. Inside, the X22 leans all the way into refinement. Sculpted seating, elevated materials, integrated storage, wireless charging, and premium detailing that gives the cockpit a bigger, cleaner, more dialed feel, especially once your eyes catch the helm. Dual digital displays, intuitive MasterCraft MyDrive, a redesigned captain's seat, available stern thruster, and the option for an observer display that puts control in the hands of your crew. Above it all, the Z9 Tower provides a distinct silhouette, power folding convenience, and clean integrations for board racks, sound pods, and biminis that store gear overhead. Power comes from Ilmore's proven 6.2-liter GDI engine, with the option to step into the 6.2-liter supercharged for those who want maximum pull. And soundstage audio rounds it out with a tuned, immersive listening experience, plus optional max transom audio when you want that energy pushed all the way back to your rider. This is the all-new X22, sharpened, refined, fully aligned with everything the X family stands for. Looking for a deeper dive into all the X22 has to offer? Head to our site to watch the full walkthrough video.